Every year, millions of plastic bags are thrown away. But inside this factory, they begin an incredible journey that transforms waste into something useful. Every recycled plastic chair begins its journey as discarded plastic bags collected from everyday life. Perfectly dry plastic is essential for producing strong recycled products. Deep cleaning removes years of dirt before the plastic can be recycled. Perfectly dry plastic is essential for producing strong recycled products. The shredded flakes become the raw material for an entirely new product. What was once discarded waste is now ready to become something entirely new.
The recycled plastic begins its transformation under carefully controlled heat and pressure.
Extreme heat transforms discarded plastic into pure, recyclable material once again. These recycled pellets are now ready to become durable plastic chairs. Extreme pressure transforms recycled plastic into the shape of a future chair. Every corner of the mold is filled with precision to create a perfectly formed chair. From discarded plastic bags to a fully formed chair, the transformation is now complete. Controlled cooling locks the recycled plastic into its final strong and durable form. Every edge is refined to deliver a clean, professional finish. Only flawless chairs are allowed to continue toward final quality testing. Every chair must withstand extreme loads before it can leave the factory. Durability testing ensures every chair performs safely for years. After passing every inspection, the recycled chair is finally ready for customers around the world. Automation prepares every recycled chair for safe transportation. Every stack is securely protected before beginning its journey to customers. From this warehouse, recycled plastic chairs begin their journey to homes and businesses around the world. Every shipment carries thousands of recycled chairs to customers around the world. An advanced global logistics network delivers recycled products across continents.
What was once discarded plastic waste now serves homes, businesses, and communities every single day.